Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 23 is sales over time. It says at the doggy boutique, a leash costs $14. If the weekly sales of leashes totaled $490, on average, how many leashes were sold each day? Note that the doggy boutique is open 7 days a week. So I want to know how many leashes on average were sold each day, and I know I want to find out days, but the sales are given to me as weekly sales. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is find out how many leashes were sold in a week. I know that the total number of sales is $490 for the week, and each leash costs $14. So I will divide 490 by $14. If I punch that into a calculator, I get 35. That means there were 35 leashes sold this week. To find out how many are sold on average in each day, I'm going to take 35 and divide that by the 7 days in a week, and I will find out the answer is 5. So on average, there were 5 leashes sold per day.